guys, today I found like a little toilet paper thingy, and I'm gonna claim it as a tornado siren. As you saw the original video about my tornado siren, I'm gonna make a part 2. Then tomorrow I'm gonna make a part 3 of it. So this might be louder because I'm in a bathroom, and my bathroom kind of does a little echo. So if you're wearing headphones and if it hurt your ears, then I should probably just not to use headphones. So even though I cannot make the warning sign of headphones on the screen, I would just say do not wear headphones because this might be loud. So let's just stop talking and get into the video. Okay, so headphone users might turn down your volume or not use headphones. Here we go. Let's just give this a test so I can show you how loud this is. And then plus, since my bathroom echoes, it kind of rumbles the floor a little. It's cool. Okay, let's just stop joking around and do this tornado siren thingy. Okay. Guys, I'm trying to do it the loudest I can. Okay, I did good on the first one. Let's just go to the real tornado siren.